Hello everyone, I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you basic hello and goodbyes. If you're new to our channel, please don't forget to smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to practice together. Let's give it a try. Hello. 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 Hey. 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 Hi. 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 Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. How are you? How are you? How are you? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? What's new? What's new? What's new? What's up? What's up? What's up? Goodbye. 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 Bye. 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 Have a good day. Have a good day. Have a good day. Good night. Good night. Good night. See you. See you. See you. See you later. See you later. See you later. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you next time. See you next time. See you next time. Take care. Take care. Take care. Later. 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 Did you find this video helpful? I upload other videos on English pronunciation. You can find some of them here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, this is Jay, signing off. See you again real soon. Goodbye.